I actually just picked her up like right at my appointment without any wait list or having to wait for a very long time. I am not a super VIP by any means at the store, but I was able to ask for this bag and it turns out they have it in stock. And it seems like there has been some removal of wait list on certain items, and this item I'm going to unbox is one of them. Hey guys, as you can see, I am ready to unbox 3 medium to large size orange boxes with you guys, and I can tell you right now there are 2 bags in here. I've shared with you guys that I've taken on a new role in my life. You know, it's been a little bit since I filmed the new video, but I figure unboxing videos are always good and we always will find time to watch some unboxing videos. But on top of that, I did collect 3 new boxes from my H appointment last week. So before I get started, I just wanted to share some updates regarding the brand as I have observed these changes. First of all, I showed up on a Saturday, which usually I like to go during weekday. It's less people and it's less chaos. So this time I happen to have time on Saturday and I popped in and my essay showed up in an all-white uniform, which kind of threw me off a little bit because usually they're all in their like black suit and it's pretty easy to identify who are the employee there and who are shoppers. But this time with all the masks and everything covered up, it like really threw me off because I started seeing like all white uniforms throughout on the floor, and some people are wearing a skirt, some people are wearing sneakers, and the sneakers are actually personal picks as well, so it's not really brand related. But that was quite an interesting update that I've noticed when I went in this time. And also, I'm probably going to unbox this box first. With her, I actually just picked her up like right at my appointment without any wait list or having to wait for a very long time. I am not a super VIP by any means at the store, but I was able to ask for this bag and it turns out they have it in stock. And it seems like there has been some removal of wait list on certain items, and this item I'm going to unbox is one of them. My view on this is that, you know, Hermès has lost quite an amount of client due to wait list because people know there is never going to be a bag available when they walk into the store, and not everybody is willing to wait. So I guess the brand did some tweaks and decided that entry-level bags, maybe they're going to remove the wait list, so it is going to be served on the first come, first serve base. So I would strongly recommend you guys to go in and try you know, asking for these bags. If you are in the area or if you're at an appointment, just ask your essay. I'm not sure if this policy is just my local store or if it's like, you know, a nationwide thing or it's a brand-wide thing, but honestly, it never hurts to ask, right? So without further ado, we're going to unbox my very first bag, one out of the 2. In the third, I like to unbox it with you guys in front of the camera now, just because we can enjoy the box opening moment all together. So here is she. I guess I've been turning it upside down. So this is a bag that I have asked and I got right away without any wait list. I have previously requested a few colorways that I was very into, but I have not gotten a call regarding any of those, and this is the one that I was like, okay, it's a really good pick. And you guys know the basic, it's not really basic, but the entry piece bags are really hot and hard to get a hold of, especially these smaller sizes, a mini size if you will. So it's really like surprised me that I was able to get this one. You guys know, you know, my very first one that I unboxed was in the lime color. The second one was the gold color. So this is the third one I've taken under my possession. It is the Mini Evelyn in a taupe with gold hardware, and the strap is, I have to unbox it first. So the strap is the indigo color. How gorgeous is this color combination, right? It's so cute and it's so versatile. I just love how little the Mini Evelyn is, and the fact that they have the e-taupe ready for purchase when you ask is like a shock to me. So I definitely want to share that with you guys who are watching. Definitely don't be afraid to ask. Maybe you'll just, you know, walk into your appointment and ask for this bag and they happen to have shipment that day, they will sell it to you. Let me just put the strap on to show you. And I know some people are frustrated with the unadjustable length of the strap, but honestly, there are so many different ways that you can make it work. So I'm going to maybe share that with you guys in a different video, how to make it shorter without needing to like pierce the hole through it. This one is going to be a really good addition. So this is the very first item. And the next item is a home goods item. And it's also something that, you know, between my husband and I, we thought about inquiring, but we just weren't ready because I know there never was one available to see in the store. And I really wanted to see how big it is and how it really could be incorporated into our home. So when we asked that day, they had one, and it is the one that's a little bit more fun than just like a plain one. So let me open this up for you guys. Can you kind of guess what it is if I say it's a home item? Oh, there's a big impression on the inside of the box. Hopefully it is made to protect the item. Ooh. And voila! This is the little elephant. Oh, I like how it has like a perfectly engraved little impression for the elephant to sit in. I like how each box is really dedicated for the item. So this is a little elephant. I guess this is in the mahogany color. This is handmade in Indonesia, and it says Hermès on the very bottom here. And I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly because it's removable, and I figure it's a really nice little toy maybe for, you know, whoever comes over that wants to play, and my baby is growing into, you know, the stage where he's going to disassemble and put things back. Maybe this is a nice little something to own at home. So this is a little elephant. Everything has like the perfect edge. Everywhere is beautifully polished, and there goes little nose. So this is the second home item that we picked up from the same appointment. Unboxings always go really fast, didn't you realize? And I don't like to like hold and make you guys wait. If I want to talk about something, it's usually because there's a reason. So now we're on to the third box, and I am super excited about this one. Now I remember what's in here. I was shocked when it was offered to me again, and this goes like the relationship maintenance again, where you just have to remind your essay who you are and what you like. So when the item comes in that reminds your essay of you, you might get a call, and this is exactly the case. It does look like a shoebox, but like I said, this is the second bag from this unboxing video. So here she is. I'm going to put the box down, and oh my gosh, how lucky am I? And it so happened that the name of this bag has the word lucky in it as well. It is another Lucky Daisy Pickleton 14 that I picked up. Honestly, this is just so perfect. It's like the perfect size with the perfect color. And yes, it is pink, and it is actually the Mauve Sylvester, which is the first mauve bag that I own. It definitely has a stronger, more present purple hue in this pink color, but overall, honestly, this is so pretty. So cute too. And I have been sharing with you guys when I started wearing my Pickleton 14 in the Nata leather. I just enjoy her very much. So I was really excited when I found out that I could potentially have this particular one. So here she is, and it also has palladium hardware. Let me see if I can put the lock on, because the shape of this bag is really defined by this little heavy lock here, because right now it literally just looks like a bucket. There's no structure because it's made that way. And I have my key and my lock here, and I'm going to open it right up. So this is what I noticed when I put the lock on my white one when I started wearing it. Can't lock it. So now this adds weight to the lock, and I believe this is how a beautiful picotin should look like. And she literally looks perfect to me right now. And the white one looks just as cute as this one. And if you guys know, I kind of gave it away a little bit when I asked you guys, you know, to help me pick the color of the Pickleton 14, because the two colors were both available and my essay just asked me which one do I prefer. The other color combination would be chai with mauve Sylvester flower outline and nata lining, so it would have been a more neutral color and a, in my opinion, slightly darker color. And I personally still pretty much prefer to be on the lighter palette and more colorful side. So I was like, after thinking about it for like 5 hours, I finally decided that I'm gonna take up another pink bag. Maybe I will show you guys on Instagram a little bit more regarding the color difference between the mauve Sylvester and the rose sakura, because they are like often being compared together, but there were a lot more mauve Sylvester coming out this year and also last year. All right, you guys, definitely, like I shared, if you only watched the video right now, when you go into a Hermès store nowadays, remember to ask for a mini Evelyn, because your chances of getting one is much higher depending on their store stock. So just make sure you ask them, because from what I know and what I observed this time, I'm guessing the wait list has been lifted on this particular style. So don't tell your essay I said that, but I kind of did. So that is it for today's video. I wanted to thank you guys all for watching, and I wanted to thank you guys for unboxing the 3 boxes with me and for patiently waiting for me to upload. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep up with the pace very, very soon. So if you haven't subscribed and you like unboxing videos, please give this video a thumbs up, because it really supports the channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye. Those